Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Routing Data Loader. This data loader has been designed especially for QAD production users who manage a large number of routings in the 14.13.1 menu. You'll find this efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage routing details. Then, quickly and safely, you can upload your revised data right back into QAD. Let's take a look at how the Routing Data Loader can help you manage your routings with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the Routing Loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the Data Loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data to QAD. To get started, we must first select the correct database. Click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. The fields in the header highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by routing code range, effective date, which will default to today's date, work center, machine range, standard operation, and product line range. If we leave filter fields open, Routing Loader will download all routing records. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we can select the Download button. The first time any of the action buttons are selected, a login screen appears, and as with all 32Soft data loaders, Routing Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. The loader validates that the user has access to menu 14.13.1. Let's log in. The data is downloaded and we now see all the records that match our search criteria. This loader displays the data fields of 14.13.1 Routing Maintenance menu from QAD. Fields highlighted in orange are key fields. Changing the values in these fields will create a new routing record. Gray fields are read-only fields, so the values from these columns will not be uploaded into the QAD database. Green fields are fully writable fields, so we can edit the value in these columns. For this demonstration, we're going to change the machines per operation for a few of the entries. Data loaders have all the functionality of Excel, so we can copy-paste data from one cell to other cells. Now let's create a new record for a new routing operation. Rather than typing all the fields manually, we can copy the information from another entry in the spreadsheet and simply change only the fields that are different for this new record. Once we have reviewed our data, we can click the Upload button to upload the data into QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. Just like all our loaders, Routing Loader validates data in the cells against QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we simply close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Any cell with an error is highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. Again, we must correct the errors before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find the next error and fix it. And let's see if there are any other errors. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload again. And this time the upload is successful. We can close the status window, and we can download again to verify that the information was uploaded. And we can see all information was uploaded successfully to QAD. Here are our edits, and here is the new record we created. As demonstrated, Routing Data Loader is a helpful productivity tool that allows you to manage a large number of routing records in easy-to-use Excel spreadsheets and upload the data safely to QAD. 32soft's routing data loader will increase your productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.